Shoot!
Aray! Basta masang boy pala. Aray ko! Aray ko! Aray ko yung effort ko!
Ay, kihara. On her, she probably has a plan, so we'll see what it is. So stay tuned. Hi guys.
Hi guys!
Ching! Pero kung hindi nyo mabasa yun, ang tawag nila ay Art in Island. So isa siyang interactive art museum. Sabi ni Lian meron daw mga 3D art daw na gano'n. We're supposed to be speaking in English pala kasi we already have international audience.
Really?
1,200 subscribers on YouTube. That's not an easy feat to make. Yeah. So we don't know if we are able to shoot inside, but we'll try. We'll ask for permission.
What? Kasi ako vlogger.
Ulit.
Hindi nga, kasi ako vlogger.
Hi! So, I asked permission and we were granted. Yay! Pero hindi nyo ma-appreciate yung exhibit dito ngayon kasi mas magandang puntahan nyo siya. Mas ma-appreciate ninyo yung art pag nandito kayo in person. So anyway, see you siya. Nakapaalang kami.
Naka-chills, naka-socks lang. Bawal yung shoes, pero punta talaga kayo dito birthday.
Oo nga, glance lang kasi para ma-appreciate nila pumunta sila dito.
Hindi ako vlogger.
Samples of some photo shoots that you'd be doing here. Yeah, that's right. I like this one. And this masterpiece is not human. Wow. Freaking wow. My goodness. Sino kaya ang gumawa nito? Whoever made this was probably immortal. My God. Wow. Ay, mali pala yung pagka-vlog. Hindi pa pala nag-vlog. So, there's going to be a show. It's already one. And as you can see, there are a lot of people who's gonna watch. I'm gonna turn this off now because I don't wanna get into trouble of taking a video of something that's not supposed to be taken. So, I'll see you guys later, yeah? What? Hi, what's up? We've finished the show. It's awesome.
Huwag mo na i-spoil.
Won't be spoiling what happened, but it was awesome. Yeah, I'm literally speechless while the show was ongoing. It was really, 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 really awesome. So much effects. Yeah, we're gonna find someone who's gonna take our picture, the two of us, because we need a thumbnail for this vid. So, wait, we're just gonna find someone, huh? I'm wrong. I thought we're gonna be finished. There's still a lot of art in this room, or rather in the second floor. Here. Wait lang, malibot lang mo to. Whoever made this museum, you're awesome. You're super, super awesome. Earlier, we were at SM, and as you can see, I have a new polo shirt. I have a new polo shirt.
That's polo.
A polo. I have a new polo. Dian chose, since I don't have any special clothes to wear today, but thankfully we bought one because I have funds. Yes, I have funds. And now we're doing this afterwards. We'll be going to Makati, and we're going to this place called Bolpit
Manila.
Whatever it is, Bolpit Manila, or I don't know what's there, but we're going there afterwards. Up. Oh, hi Mona Lisa. Bye. Oh, we're gonna go now. And I guess that's it. We're done. We're already going down. Exit. Before anything else, I'd like to thank Art in Museum for letting me in for free because it's my birthday. Thank you. And to you guys, I definitely highly recommend that you come here in person to experience the art. I mean, it's awesome, super. I'm gonna claim our shoes now. We're gonna claim our shoes. So, we'll be going now to Makati. Mag-check-in lang ako. And then afterwards, I'll meet up with Lian again at the Bolpit Manila. We're gonna continue our celebration there, and I hope Scott can come with us. So I'll see you there. We are currently now at Bolpit Manila. Bolpit Manila. So Lian is sorting out our reservation because in order for you to do what you're gonna do here, and I still don't know what we're gonna do here yet, we need to have a reservation. So I think I know what's gonna happen. Yes.
Kiki, kasi yung wala kami dalang
50 pesos.
Oh, Beshi.
Hindi mo ako dalawa.
Dito po sa side.
Yung tayong dalawa, besh.
Okay.
Ano to? Number ang
Yeah, yay, pwede kami mag-start. So, ang gagawin pala namin is either matulog or maglaro.
Ang daming bola. Ang daming bola.
So, ito na po. Wait, tingnan ko muna film natin to. Sige. Parang bata si B. Puro bola. Alam mo itong bola. Hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin. Wait. Ang hirap gumalaw sa loob ng mga bola. Ate Lia, nasan ka na? Kuya, saan ka na? Shook! 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 Ayun, wala kayong makita, no? Except ako, makita nyo dito sa loob ng balls. Sa ilalim ako. Aray. Tama. Lumapit sa akin. May snake style ako. Madigin ulit ako sa ilalim. Matay ba ko?
Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Search for Jim. Jim Tatok Mall. Mat, birthday boy.
Anyway, it's actually tiring. I love the feels like, look at her, look at her. She's having the time of her life. She's having the time of her life, like it's sunbathing and the balls. Bati ko. Aray. Naglalakad-lakad kami sa gitna kasi solo na namin yung buong arena. Ang hirap gumalaw. Ha? Ano? Maalala ko. Solo mo na.
Hulog siya. Mahirap na pag-nahulog ko. Kailangan namin suungin ang buong ball pit para mahanap yung GoPro. Hanggang! Magdadrop tayo. Pwede magdadrop tayo. 1, 2, baka magkatamaan tayo.
Kapag
1, 2, 3.
After this, we're gonna take a mass. Or we're gonna attend the mass, I'm sorry. We're gonna attend the mass. Of course, because it's my birthday, I need to attend the mass. Hindi ka nga vlogger eh.
Hindi nga ako vlogger.
So, I think that would be it for day 1. Pero, we'll still have a vlog later because I'm still hunting for the GoPro Hero 6 Black. I need to buy one because I've prepared for that device for so long to take videos of my Gundams. So I'm gonna buy that solely for the Gundams. That's why ang gulo nito eh. I'm gonna hunt one. I'm gonna find one. And if I failed, I'm gonna buy somewhere April 20. So happy birthday, Jim. I'll see you. Aray. I'll see you later. Yan po. Galit po si Mayora. So nag-impulse buying po ako.
Impulse buying siya ng GoPro. GoPro. Meron naman siyang nagagamit. So, okay. Pero bahala siya sa gusto. Bahala siya sa buhay.
Sorry na, B. Eh, kailangan natin yan para sa mga ano natin, lalo sa Gundam. Yeah. So, yun po. Bumili kami, or in English, we bought GoPro Hero 6 Black 6 because I need it for building my Gundams and our assistant. We are being assisted here by our generous friend. Checking our GoPro. It's nice.
Agree. I-on ko ba yung GPS mo?
Sige na.
Mag-consume mo to sa baterya.
Hindi off mo.
Off
Kung
mo na lang
ano, kung
muna.
anong suggestion mo, ikaw marunong ng GoPro. Pag-aaralan ko pa lang naman yan. Hindi, mas brutal kasi ang GoPro 6. GP1 processor, may slow-mo motion, tas 60 FPS at 4K. So yun, we're gonna meet Scott actually later kasi kawawa naman siya. Mukhang di na naman mahal ng girlfriend. We're gonna watch a movie, Ready Player One. Pero I prioritize muna yung GoPro kasi I heard talaga na maganda daw nito nga ang offer sa Henry's from a good friend, Alfonso Maisa. Shoutouts kay
Sino yun?
good friend ko, Gunpla builder din siya. And galing siya may Cintiq. Meron siya yung nag-drawing.
Hi, meet your
Younger brother.
high five. Meet 6.
Thank you.
Stop ko na to. GoPro stop recording.
Sige. 3% na lang din siya.
GoPro stop recording.
Hi. We are currently at SM Aura kasi kanina nasa Ballpit Manila kami. Then suddenly a rare Pokemon was spotted. Here he is, the motherfucker. We're gonna watch Ready Player One at IMAX at ito ang first time na manonood ako ng IMAX. Kaya it's a new first. And nakabili na rin ako ng GoPro. Yay! Ayan siya. Pero nakita mo na yung kanina. Kaya siguro this would be the end of day 1. So day 2, ang gagamitin ko na is yung GoPro 6 bukas. Susubukan ko ng pag-aralan. Bukas. Hindi. Kasi
wala nang use. Sorry, expired na po. Wala kang pakinabang. We appreciate your help.
Hindi, magagamit pa niya yung GoPro 5 niya kasi pagpunta niya ng Cebu, gamitin niya yun sa Cebu. Kaya, we're gonna chill muna kasi mamaya pang 10 yung showing namin. And then, after nun, showing ng Ready Player One. After nun, uwi na kami. Kaya, I guess I'll see you tomorrow then kasi magpapahinga din kami immediately. Kaya, this would be for day 1 kasi tomorrow.